Cultural studies is an interdisciplinary field that explores how culture influences society, politics, identity, and power. It's not just about analyzing books or art, it's about understanding everything from movies and music to social media, fashion, and even the language we use every day. Books aren't just stories, they are windows into the values, fears, and dreams of the societies that produce them. For example, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein isn't just a horror novel. It's a reflection of anxieties about science, industrialization, and human ambition during the Romantic era. Literature also plays a key role in exploring issues of representation, how different groups are portrayed in stories, and what those portrayals say about societal attitudes. Take William Shakespeare's Othello. On the surface, it's a tragic tale of jealousy and betrayal, but through the lens of cultural studies, we see it as a complex exploration of race and otherness in a predominantly white Eurocentric world. Why does Othello's identity as a Moor matter? How does his marginalization drive the plot? These questions reveal deeper truths about power dynamics and prejudice. Another important concept in cultural studies is intertextuality, the idea that all texts are connected, borrowing from and responding to each other. For instance, Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice has inspired countless adaptations, retellings, and reinterpretations. Each version reflects the cultural moment in which it was created, showing how timeless themes like love, class, and gender continue to evolve. But cultural studies doesn't stop at literature. It also examines how culture operates in our everyday lives. Consider hip hop music. What started as an underground movement in the Bronx in the 1970s became a global phenomenon that influenced not just music but also fashion, language, and activism. Cultural studies ask, why did this happen? Who benefits from it? And what does it tell us about race, class, and power? Cultural studies also looks at popular culture, including TV shows, memes, and viral trends. For example, think about the impact of shows like Stranger Things or Squid Game. Both tap into universal themes, friendship, survival, rebellion, but they also reflect specific anxieties of their time, whether it's nostalgia for the 1980s or critique of capitalism and inequality. By analyzing these works, we can better understand the cultural forces shaping our lives. Culture is everywhere and it affects everything, from the ads we see to the traditions we follow.